How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about Hydroboost plumbing and our exclusive SVE Hydroboost plumbing kits designed for 1979 to 2004 Mustangs. So how these kits came about is pretty straightforward. Whenever Shannon, who is the owner of our company, for those of you that were unaware, fully restored his Uncle Ted's 1985 ASC McLaren Capri, the Hydroboost plumbing was a must-have for the build. So with a game plan in mind, Shannon and Scott Hubbard took to the drawing boards and they built a simple plumbing kit with quality hose, AN fittings, and all of the supporting components. Like many other things from that build, it transitioned into a marketable and sellable product. So when it comes to a Coyote swapping a 1979 to 2004 Mustang, it seems that there's a million ways to do it. Well, whatever it is that you decide on, there are several of us out there that are going to want the luxury of power assist brakes and power steering. After building a few swaps of our own, we figured the world needed some viable solutions when plumbing their Hydroboost and power steering setups. The kits that we built are going to eliminate the guesswork and headache of trying to source all the components separately. In the long run, that is not only going to save you time, but in turn, it's going to save you a little bit of cash as well. So the first kit I'm going to talk about is our kit designed for power by the hour speed drive setup. Now the kit components will include everything you need to plumb your Hydroboost system, minus the fluid. First up are the two black nylon braided high pressure hoses that are the correct length and they're pre-terminated with black AN fittings for an easy direct install. Along with the high pressure hoses, you'll get our proprietary power steering pump fitting, a Teflon seal for this fitting, banjo fittings and bolts for the Hydroboost assembly, a rubber return hose with a molded 90-degree end, a T-fitting, an assortment of clamps, two 2-foot rubber sections of return hose that will be cut to fit, one large rubber return hose that is also cut to fit, steering rack fittings, a factory-style return hose that connects to the steering rack and factory power steering cooler tube, and thread locking compound for hydraulic applications. Now let's shift gears and talk about our plumbing kit that is designed for the KRC power steering pump. This kit will also include two -6 AN black nylon braided high pressure hoses that have specific lengths and are pre-terminated with black -6 AN fittings. Along with the high pressure hoses, you'll get the same banjo fittings and bolts for the Hydroboost assembly, a small fitting that converts the return port on the Hydroboost assembly to AN, a Y block with -6 AN fittings, 4 pre-terminated -6 AN nylon braided return hoses, steering rack fittings, 3 Adel clamps and 2 nuts for hose management, a bag of zip ties, and thread locking compound for hydraulic applications. If we take a closer look at 2 of the return hoses on this particular kit, you'll notice that we use tube seal clamps to secure the nylon braided hose to the factory cooler tube. Now the tube seal clamps look like a traditional AN fitting, which will provide that finished look, but feature a worm gear clamp for ease of use. Now let's talk a little bit about some important fitment notes. Both of these Hydroboost kits are engineered to fit all 1979 to 2004 Coyote Swapped Mustangs that are utilizing a Hydroboost assembly from a 99 to 04 V8 Mustang. So if you're swapping a Coyote engine into anything other than a 99 to 2004 V8 Mustang, you will need to source a refurbished or takeoff Hydroboost assembly from a 99 to 04 V8 car. Whenever each plumbing kit is installed and the car is ready to fire, you can of course fill and bleed the system. Last thing, and this is just a heads up, because of several variables of Coyote Swapped Mustangs, can't guarantee that these kits will work for everyone's application. But guys, I'm telling you, these SVE Hydroboost plumbing kits are so awesome. If you have any questions on these kits, reach out to us in the comments, give us a call, or shoot us an email. Always remember, at the end of the day, we're here to help you guys. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in this video, be sure and reference LMR.com. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications, that way you're notified every time we release new content. While you're at it, check out our other videos. Of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.